Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Aquarius air sign, your person current feelings for the remaining month of May. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person current feelings for the remaining month of May. Aquarius. Aquarius. Okay, your person current feelings right now. King of Cups, Six of Cups, Two of Pentacles. Wow, I think your person may be juggling in past. Two of Pentacles between you and the other, like career or whatever, but right now this juggling is ended. I'm seeing because he feels strong connection towards you or with you, because Six of Cups is a past life connection or strong soulmate connection, and you feel towards him, and right now he also feels towards you this connection. I think your person is spiritually awakening. And King of Cups, definitely your person want to offer this King of Cup to you, because he wants stability. He wants to offer stability and love to you. Lot of water energies here. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio also. Right now he thinking to come towards you and offer this love. He feels a strong connection with you. So let's see their intentions. So based on intentions, they may take actions towards you or may not, depends upon purely on your situation. So let's see their intention towards you. Aquarius. Okay, let's see. Ten of Swords, Ace of Cups, Page of Pentacles. Wow, definitely there are some cycle ending. Definitely Ten of Swords is cycle ending. I am seeing here. There is no negative otherwise. And Ace of Cups, definitely your person want to offer this cup of love to you, and it is overflowing. Definitely he feels a lot of love for you. Page of Pentacles, I think you or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Lot of earth energy is also here. Page of Pentacles, yes, you want to offer his pentacle and cup to you. Definitely he want to offer financial stability and love both to you. His intentions are to come towards and offer this love to you, and some cycles are going to be ended in your love life, in your relationship. So let's pull some cards from universe. Aquarius. So some cycles, I think some negative cycles are going to be end. Ten of Swords. The world, yes, definitely. I already told cycles ending. The word is also describing the cycles ending. Definitely there are some cycles are ending. Eight of Pentacles, lot of earth energy. Six of Pentacles, and the final card. Wow, Knight of Swords. Yes, let's see. I think in past there is no equal give and take in this connection. One person invests on this connection more than the other person, definitely. But right now your person want to work on this relationship. Eight of Pentacles, it is slow, but it is stable. Definitely he want to work on this relationship seriously, and also he want to equal give and take. In past there is no equal give and take, but your person want to equal give and take right now. Definitely. And Knight of Swords, he want to come towards you, because very fastly Knight of Swords, this horse and this man, so he want to come towards you very fastly, and he want to work on this relationship very seriously. Definitely there are some cycles also ending. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.